Have you ever think about why 99% people don't success, but there is only 1% of people is successful? Now, what is the exact habit and actions they have did to make them to become more successful? Hi, my name is Louis. There are many different reasons people are successful and some of them they don't. Now, I have outlined 4 main things that you can do to train your habit to become more successful. Number 1, they are not afraid to take failure. You can't imagine a successful people how many failure they have gone through. That is a failure to make them to have an experience, and from the experience they are slowly build up their knowledge, their skill to make them to become successful. So don't look down on the failure. Failure is the biggest asset for the success. Number 2, they are not afraid to take risks. Now, when you want to become success, risk is something that you cannot avoid. Therefore, they are willing to spend time, effort, and even their wealth continue to achieve the high level of successful. And this is something they are looking for, and this is something they are hoping for. Number 3, successful people do have a plan. They have outlined all the detail into the actions, what they need to do in order to achieve their goal. Every single step they have achieved a small goal, they will go to the next level to achieve a bigger success for them. Now, all these actions is going through a brainstorming, analysis, and even draw out into the detail by plan, by actions. Successful people know this is the future belong to them. They will do anything possible to ensure this is something what they want in the future. Number 4, successful people know how to take actions. If you want to achieve or you want to success, you need to push yourself to do the actions. If there is only a plan without an actions, that is not a successful. You need to push yourself to take actions every single step that into your plan. That is how are you going to make yourself to become successful. Actions is more powerful and meaningful. Are you ready for the challenge and to see yourself to be successful one day? Pick up the challenge, follow the step, and I hope to see you on my next video.